Hi, my name's Hussein Raza and I'm the co-founder of Eden Jones Eyewear. Today I'll be talking about our children's range. We're launching 4 key styles. The range of sizes start from 43, goes up to 50. What we've got starting off over here is the Scott and Sophie range. Then we've got the Ethan and Ellie over here. We come over to the Josh and Jessie, and then finishing off on the Lewis and Lauren frame. All of these frames come in 7 colours. The basic premise with Eden Jones kids is they are super flexible, they are adjustable on the temple tip, and the deeper nose bridge really enables them to be non-slip on the face. We're a good optical solution as well as a style solution for little children. We are at stand D32 in the kind of main causeway aisle, very close to where the catwalk show will be.